Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. As we are seeing Python tricks and tips, so here is our next tip. So use of Python's pass statement. So you can use pass statement in any code block in Python. So code block in Python are function, then if statement, loops, then try except. So these are the code blocks. So you can use pass statement in any code block in Python. So when you have to use this, when you are developing code, if you don't have implementation of any code block, so for example you are developing a code and there is any function, you don't have implementation of that function, so you can't keep that code block blank. So if you keep that code block blank, you will get syntax error. To avoid that error, write pass statement instead of body of that code block. So currently you don't have implementation of that code block, so that's why you are writing the pass statement. So pass means don't do anything, so that is the pass. Once you have implementation, remove that pass statement and write your code. So once you have implementation, you can remove that pass statement and write your code. So pass statement is like don't do anything, right? So this is the use of pass statement. Here I have taken one example of using pass statement. So here this is function say hello, and here I have written pass statement because I don't have implementation of this say hello function. So if I keep this body of this function blank, so I will get syntax error. So because of that I have written here pass statement, and here is one for loop I have written. Then I am calling this function say hello as this. So I have told you pass means don't do anything. So if I call this function, I will not get any syntax error, nothing. I will get this output 5 times hello will be printed. So in this way you can use pass statement. So whatever we have done, we will see that practically. So here we are going to see whatever we have seen for pass statement, that we will see practically. For example, I have one function def say hello, and so this is my function, and I don't know what is the logic of this function, and I have some further code like for loop. For example, I have one for loop for underscore in range 5 and print hello. So this is my code. So if I run this code, I will get error. So here I am getting error. Why I am getting error? Because here I have kept this code block blank. So whatever the function is there, so this is one code block in Python. So as it is blank, so that's why I am getting error. So it should either contain full implementation or it should contain pass statement. So here I will write pass, right? Why? Because I don't know the implementation of this function right now, right? So if I keep this block blank, so I will get error. So to avoid that, I have written here pass statement. So now if I run this code, so now my code is running fine, right? So you have to write this pass statement. So if you don't have that code block implementation at that time, right? So whenever you have implementation, so here you have to remove this pass statement and you have to write here your code, right? So for example, right now I have implementation of this, and so now I will call this function here say hello. So now if I run this, so I'm getting here after for loop execution, I'm getting here saying hello, right? So in this way you have to use pass statement. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.